Perspectives. There are various perspectives we can have. One is in the silicon carbide crystal growth, the PVT manufacturing to make wafers, the perspectives. Can you make 15 wafers out of 30 which are useful, or can you make more that are useful, for example by using laser cutting? Another perspective for me, who live on the countryside, is to have the bird feeder. My kitchen window is over there and I enjoy the birds flying. So I feed them. Then I have this thing and this thing. But coming back to the PVT, if we can get 30 wafers instead of 15 wafers which are useful, then it's a big difference from the perspective of sustainability. Now 15 wafers will contribute to be used in power electronics. But if you have 15 wafers or 30 wafers which are contributing, then that's a big difference. They have not eaten so much since yesterday actually. This is because it's plus degrees and not 0. So then, one run, one bowl will have 30 wafers which are useful instead of 15. Because you have made advances in the processing and engineering of the silicon carbide. That's why we will have a new topic in the forum series, which is about processing and engineering and perspectives. Overall, we will link this with sustainability, because that's the final answer when people are asking us, what do we do? So feel free to join next forum on the sustainability and or the processing and engineering of silicon carbide.